Trying to use a 600 watt landscape transformer, isolating transformer to weld. This I've taken it on the 12 volt output, not the 15. Probably doesn't matter that much anyway. So come on, that matters to the body here. Hopefully that's a good contact. I've used a screw connector and tried to connect that to a welding rod. This is your typical just not kind of 6013 welding rod. We'll find out if this transformer could handle a dead short, and that is probably the more important factor. If this transformer can't handle a dead short, I'm probably going to burn it. But hey, such is life. Experimentation. Well, it turns out this switch that they have on both of them is not actually only a switch, it's a breaker, and it's rated at 25 amps and it trips. So you really don't get much, you just get 2 touches, but you don't get any arcing. Hopefully this transformer could handle a short circuit current, otherwise this will not be a very good experiment. Well, the transformer can take it. It's not enough. I'm not getting it to strike an arc. Maybe the voltage, of course, the amount of current here's heated up. There's heated up badly. It sort of acted on a little, but it's not enough for me to get a full arc. It might be doubling the voltage now. So fortunately I have a next one of these transformers. We'll connect them in parallel and double the current, actually not the, that's connected in series first actually, and double the voltage, lower current, and see what happens. Final arrangement. 12 volts didn't work. I decided instead of trying the 15, let's just go straight to 30. So what I have is the common from this one coming onto the plate, and then I did the positive from this one coming across to the 15, comes to 15, and then the 15 here. So wrong, 15 going to common, live going to a rod. This was a simple arrangement, just a yellow what we call wire nuts twist connector on a welding rod, and I've tried it. Significantly better, as you can see. We've welded. It's not too bad if you just knock it out. Not the greatest. I don't expect to be getting more than 40 amps considering those are 600 watt transformers. So this is definitely better. Just the last one with the scratching, it is definitely welding. It may not be very penetrating, very deep. It should be reasonable for tin metals, things like this, and probably even burn through. For something like this, it wouldn't penetrate it. This is probably about 4 millimeters, so it won't penetrate this, but you're probably to be able to weld something onto it with some careful work.